Hi, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix TikTok echo on live streaming. Are you live streaming on TikTok or cohorting on TikTok and you're having a terrible problem with echo on your live stream? I know how frustrating it could be. Actually, there are few steps in order to retrieve or handle this problem. The first thing you have to do is to make use of your headphone or headset. Plug it to your device while going live. It will help to reduce the echo from that environment that you are. The second step you have to take is to adjust your speaker. It's going to make your microphone not to pick audio feeds from background. Third, eliminate multi-audio source. If you're making use of multi-audio source, it can actually create echo in that environment. I advise you to make use of a single audio in order to reduce the echo from the live stream. We have the fourth one is, if you're using two software like OBS or VBS, ensure you use one, because using two software can actually create echo on the live stream. So it's advisable you use any of the software best known to you. Just use one, don't use more than one. Most importantly, using headset is very helpful, especially in a room occupied with things like carpets, beds, and so on. Before you start making use of your headset or before you start live streaming, I advise you just clap your hands to ensure that the echo there has been reduced. When you have things occupied in a room, it actually reduces the echo of that room. So guys, that is it on how to fix TikTok echo on live stream. If this video was helpful, please do what to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.